How to fix SkyQRemote not working or the remote volume not working. Step-by-step guide. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can simply solve this on your TV. For this, you have to follow these steps here. Check if it's paired to your TV. Volume control only works if your SkyQRemote is paired to your TV. To pair it to your remote, press home on your SkyQRemote, go to setting, click on setup, and then go to remote control. Select your remote model, example SkyQTouch, SkyQVoice, etc. Choose the control for your TV and then follow on-screen instructions to enter your TV brand and test the volume control. Step second is try the volume button. Make sure the TV's volume is not muted or too low. If the remote still does not work, it might be the remote, not the TV. Step 3 is reset your remote. Hold down 7 and 9 together on your SkyQRemote for about 5 seconds. This resets the remote's Bluetooth connection, then pair it again using the instructions from step 1. Step 4 is low battery or change batteries. Low batteries can cause the power loss for volume and Bluetooth functions to stop working. Replace both batteries with fresh AAAs and test again. Step 5 is try IR infrared mode. If Bluetooth fails, force the remote into the infrared mode, press and hold 1 and 3 to repair and choose infrared setup. This lets the remote send signals directly to your TV's IR receiver. Thank you so much for watching this video.